If you are wondering what is the recommended charger for a Samsung Galaxy A57, then let me quickly share that information with you. So unfortunately, of course, the power adapter is not included, but if you're looking for the best charger possible for your Samsung Galaxy A57, then the most optimal choice is going to be an original Samsung power adapter with 45 watts, or at least 45 watts. Of course, you can get a stronger power adapter, but if we compare it to the 45 watts power adapter, it won't make any difference in the case of the charging speed. The phone is going to charge just as fast as with a stronger power adapter, simply because 45 watts is the most that the phone can use when charging the battery. And of course, Samsung is going to be the most optimal choice since it's the original power adapter for the phone. But truth be told, you can probably go for another well-known brand as well. So you don't have to necessarily go for the Samsung power adapter. It is recommended to use it, but it is not really that necessary. So if you want to purchase a power adapter from another brand, like for example Motorola, maybe OnePlus, Oppo, Xiaomi, Redmi, and so on and so forth, of course these brands are going to work as well. The only thing that you have to keep in mind is, of course, the port that we have on the power adapter. If you want to use the original cable that we have inside the box, then you want to use a power adapter with USB-C port so you can fit the cable. If you use a power adapter that has USB-A port, so the bigger USB port, then of course you will have to change the cable as well, and you will have to use USB-A to USB-C cable, which of course is not really a problem. It's still going to work, but it might be like more hassle, more things to do, and you might want to avoid that. And that is pretty much it. Of course, one thing that I also have to mention is I recommend avoiding knockoffs and not well-known brands. So if there are like brands that are not really popular, I would actually avoid using them just in case, of course. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.